Dear students, as we were discussing about the types of cooperative society, and on our last turn, I had taught you three types of cooperative society, that was consumers cooperative society, producers cooperative society, and cooperative marketing society. Today we have to discuss cooperative credit society. Credit society, it means this society provides financial help to cooperative societies members and also develop habits of savings among the members. But the question arises from how can this society arrange their funds. The funds of these societies are managed by all the members, and these members deposits the capital in form of share, as I had already discussed you. So the funds are available with the credit society, cooperative credit society. Credit means to provide loans facility to its members, and their system of providing loan is very easy. Means members can easily get loans and their rate of interest. The loan that has been taken by the members, the member have to pay very reasonable rate of interest, or we can say very low rate of interest, and getting the loans terms and conditions are very easy. This society's main objective is to protect the members from the exploitation of money lenders. Exploitation means shoshan. Earlier, the money lenders used to give the loans to the farmers for their farming, but now this is not so. Nowadays, cooperative societies, cooperative credit societies are set up, and these credit society provides the loans facility to their members as well as small farmers. Next type of cooperative society is that cooperative farming society. It means this society is mainly for the small farmers, and these small farmers, they find themselves difficult to produce their goods by using mechanized farming. So this society provides them the benefits of large scale mechanized farming. Mechanized farming means farming through using the latest machines, tools, etc. These societies' main objectives are providing small farmers improved seeds. Improved seeds means standard quality seeds, fertilizers, irrigation facility, and other modern techniques which are necessary to continue, or we can say to farming. This society also provides social and economic security to their small farmers, that is called peasants. peasants means farmers. Such type of a farming society's main objective is providing all those facilities which are necessary for the large-scale production, such as seeds, fertilizers, irrigation, and other production techniques. Last is cooperative housing society. This housing society is mainly formed to provide the residential facility, residential accommodation, या आप कह लीजिए provides housing facility to their members. How can they provide the housing to their members? This society purchase a big plot of land. On that land they construct the flats and gives to its members on very easy terms and conditions on installment base. Their installment is not much more. Installments is such like a amount, and the amount that can a member pay very little bit amounts, little installments than easily members can pay are fixed, and their rate of interest is very low. All these things are done so that members could afford it, could bear it. मेंबर इसको बियर कर सके, इतना इंस्टॉलमेंट रखेंगे और ऐसे कंडीशंस रखेंगे, ऐसे ही इनका जो है मिनिमम रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट होगा. Besides this, they also provide some other civil facilities like roads, parks, street lights, parking, etc.